Hello guys, in this video I gonna tell you the one more operator type, that is relational operators. Yeah, so in last video we have already talked about the first operators, that is arithmetic operators, and we have derived five important conclusions about arithmetic operators. So in this video I gonna talk you about the comparison or relational operators. The comparison or relation, this is very general term from our childhood. We will be comparing with our friends. Everything in this world is comparable, right? Good and bad, white and black, cash and creed, so everything is comparable. How can we compare them? What are comparison operators that are present in Python? See here guys, there is greater than symbol, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So let us take two parameters. These two parameters will be compared with this relational operators only. This clear? If that condition is true, so if 10 greater than 5, if that condition is true, it is returning true, and if that is false, if that condition is false, then automatically you will returning false. Now let us do this practical example, practical illustration of that thing, whatever we are saying. Is this clear? Yeah. How many types of operators are there? First, only comparison operators. Yes, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Is this clear? These two are equal to and not equal to are, these two are called equality operators. Okay, now these two are called equality operators. First, we will discuss about these four parameters now. Okay, now these are called relational operators. Relational operators. Is this clear guys? Yeah. These relational operators can be applied on int data, string data, as well as boolean data. In this video apply these relational operators on int data and bool data. Is this clear? So let me define two variables called a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Is clear? Yeah. So now what I going to do is I am going to apply all the parameters, all the relational operators. Relational operators. See here, a less than, okay, a less than b. Is this correct or not? And one more type is a greater than b. Okay, na? One more operator. A less than or equal to b. Print a greater than or equal to b. Is this clear? So what is the output in this case? So a value is 10, 10 less than 20. Is it is true or false? What we are getting? Yes, it is true. What about this? Is 10 is greater than 20? No, it is not the case. So we are getting false. Okay, now let me copy this and paste this. So 10 less than or equal to 20, is it is true or false? Yes, it is true. 10 greater than or equal to 20, it is also false. Is this clear? Yeah. Let me comment all this. See, now let us check the output of all this. True, false, yes or no? So this is the, now what we have done, we have applied the relational operators on int data. Now I am going to apply relation operators on bool data. Whether it is applicable or not, we can see. True, greater than false. Print false less than true, false greater than true. Let us take that. Let us copy this and put the equality symbol. Otherwise I can swap this for our convenience. True, false. Okay now, and let me copy this too and paste here, put the equal to symbol. See here guys, now let us check whether this comparison operators is we can put the comparison operator between boolean or not. For boolean it is possible or not. Let us check it now. Yeah, it is possible. So what here it is exactly happening? Is true is greater than false? What exactly happening? We need to know about that, right? So let me see how interpreter is doing. The interpreter is checking that true is written as 1 and false is taken as false is considered as 0. Interpreter is considering true as 1 and false as 0. This is the values. It is clear guys. That is the reason why we are getting this output. Now let us replace true and false values and check what is the output. So true is 1 greater than 0. It is true or false? It is true. Yes or no? Now again replace the values of true and false. True value is 1 less than 0. It is false. That is the reason why we are getting false. Now let me replace true value with 1, right? True value 1 greater than or equal to 0. It is true or false? 1 greater than or equal to 0. Yes, it is true. Now let me copy this and paste here. Put the equality symbol. It is also false. That is the reason why we are getting true, false, true, false. Invariant syntax. What is invariant syntax we are getting here? Oh, here I am not commenting, right? That is the reason why I am getting this invariant syntax. Is this clear guys? Yeah, now let me execute once again for you. Yeah, we are getting true, false, true, false. Is this clear? So here this this relational operators can be applied on both integer data as well as boolean data. That's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching. In the next video we will tell you how to apply boolean operators on how to apply relational operators on string data.